terms of the story of Parkcrest, I think that it will really go down in the Kamloops-Thompson School District history as a story of resiliency, one that went from really a major loss in our community to one where a rebuild has come back stronger and with more sort of energy than we could have ever imagined, and that really is the resiliency part of it.
The City of Kamloops is excited to celebrate the reopening of Parkcrest Elementary. We understand the important role schools play beyond the classroom as community centers for generations to grow and gather together. That's why we've partnered with School District 73 on this project to create a full-size gymnasium that will host recreational programs and activities for residents of all ages in our community.
You get to have a whole full year of learning and being back with your friends again, back under the same roof, because the school was gone for 5 years. And we're all back under the same roof, and we're very lucky.
When I met you 3 years ago, Principal Gorman, you shared with me a picture in your office. I don't know if you remember that, but by your door, you had a picture of the tragic fire, so the tragedy. And I said, why do you have that picture in your office? And I never, ever forgot what you said. In fact, I think about it quite often.
The true heart of this school, however, is not the building itself, it's the people who are in it, and I've believed that from the very beginning. I'm honored to be your principal, and I'm very excited to make this new school ours.
She shared with me at that time that her goal as a leader was to build hope and set a vision for the future that started the next day after that tragedy. I really can say that you've done that, Kath. I feel the warmth in this environment when I come in today. I feel it with the staff, many of whom were there at that time, I know that, and I appreciate all that you've done to reimagine and rebuild this school. This is not just a replacement school. This is your home, but it is a beacon of hope for the future because of each one of you. I know you had the heart before you even came into the space to help design the space, and I appreciate so much that beauty of that culture that you can feel walking in the door.
Secwepemcin artist Kelsey Jules has created this artwork to celebrate Parkcrest Elementary's new beginning. We hope that this piece will serve as a reminder of the strength of community and provide hope for the future. And to the students of Parkcrest, when I look out into this room, the energy and the learning that's going to take place in this beautiful space gives me hope for what our future has to offer as well.
So Duhwiklumt, welcome to your new school, and let's have the best year ever. Let's start this school off in a good and great way. We're going to work together and work with our teachers. We're going to learn the most we've ever learned this whole year. And thank you for inviting me. And
It's through the dedication of everyone involved, from the architects, the construction teams, to the families, the staff who have supported the project every day and every way, that we are standing here today. So I'm not just celebrating this new building, I'm celebrating the enduring spirit of the Parkcrest community. Kukshetchen.